Hello, everyone. Quick question. When someone asks you, how was your day? Do you ever freeze and say, good, normal?
Yes, my brain goes blank. I know I had a day, but I can't describe it. I'm like, it happened.
Perfect. Today, we fix that. Welcome back to English Time. I'm Jim.
And I'm Anna. If you want to speak English naturally in daily life, like, subscribe, and practice with us, because daily conversation is where real fluency happens.
Today's topic, how to describe your day in English.
This is so useful because every day someone asks, how was your day? How's your day going? What did you do today?
Exactly. And the goal isn't to sound like a poet. The goal is to sound clear and natural.
And not like a robot.
Right. So we're using a super simple method. It's called 3 plus 1.
3 plus 1? Like math?
Simple math. Here it is. You describe your day in 3 parts: morning, afternoon, evening, and then you add one feeling at the end.
Oh, morning, afternoon, evening, plus a feeling. That's easy.
It's easy and it works every time. And if you want a short answer, you only use one part plus a feeling.
Like busy morning, relaxed evening, I'm tired.
Exactly. Now we'll also give you the glue words to connect your day smoothly.
Glue words?
Yes, the words that make your story flow. First, then, after that, later, finally.
Those words make you sound natural instantly.
Exactly. And we'll use simple daily vocabulary, not complicated words.
Okay, Jim, I want the exact phrases, like ready-made sentences I can copy.
Perfect. Here are the most common day description starters. My day was pretty busy, good, stressful, relaxed. It was a long day. It was a productive day. It was kind of a slow day. Honestly, it was exhausting. Not bad, just a normal day.
I love not bad. It's so American.
Very American. Not bad means good enough.
Okay, now give me the morning, afternoon, evening template.
Here it is. Repeat after me. This morning, I. This afternoon, I. This evening, I. And then, overall, I feel.
That's so clean.
And you can swap this with in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening.
Okay, let's practice. You ask me, how was your day?
Great. Anna, how was your day?
I say, it was pretty good. This morning, I worked on my English. This afternoon, I ran some errands. This evening, I'm just relaxing at home. Overall, I feel calm.
That was perfect. Clear, simple, natural.
I sounded like I have my life together.
That's the magic of structure. Now let's make it more realistic. Many days aren't calm.
True. Many days are chaos.
Exactly. So we also need vocabulary for different day types. Let's do day adjectives.
Yes, please.
Common adjectives: busy, productive, stressful, overwhelming, relaxing, exhausting, rough, meaning difficult, smooth, meaning easy, no problems, hectic, very busy, chaotic.
Hectic is a good word.
Very useful. Example, today was hectic.
Okay, what about verbs? I always repeat, I did, I did, I did.
Great point. Here are daily life verbs you can rotate. Woke up or got up, commuted, went to work, answered emails, had meetings, worked on a project, ran errands, groceries, pharmacy, bank, picked up groceries, worked out, took a walk, grabbed lunch, quick lunch, cooked dinner, cleaned up, hung out with friends, chilled at home, unwound, relaxed after stress.
Unwound sounds nice.
It is. I unwound after work.
Okay, but sometimes I want to give a short answer, not a full story.
Perfect. We have 3 levels: short, medium, long.
Give me the short one first.
Short answer formula: 1 highlight plus feeling. Example, pretty busy, lots of meetings, I'm tired. Or, good day, I got a lot done.
So I don't need to explain everything.
Exactly. Medium answer: 2 parts plus feeling. Long answer, all 3 parts plus feeling.
Okay, role play time. Ask me like a coworker.
All right. Hey, Anna, how's your day going?
It's been pretty busy. This morning, I had a lot of emails, and this afternoon, I've been working on a project. I'm a little stressed, but it's okay.
Perfect. You used it's been. That sounds natural for a day that is still happening.
Oh, so if the day isn't finished, I say it's been.
Exactly. If it's finished, you say it was.
That's a great detail.
Let's lock it in. How was your day to it was? How's your day going to it has been, it's been?
Nice.
The glue words that make you sound fluent. Now let's add timeline connectors so you don't sound repetitive. Here's a natural chain. First I, then I, after that I, later I, finally I.
Okay, give me a day and I'll try that chain.
Scenario. You had a normal weekday. Go.
First, I woke up early and made coffee. Then I started work and answered emails. After that, I had a meeting. Later, I went out to grab lunch. Finally, I came home and relaxed. Overall, I feel tired but satisfied.
That was excellent.
I'm shocked. I sound fluent-ish.
Fluent-ish is progress. Now we also want you to sound more natural with small details, without talking forever.
Yes, I want to add details, but I don't want to write a novel.
Exactly. So use the one small detail rule. For each part, morning, afternoon, evening, add one small detail only.
Like one spice, not the whole kitchen.
Exactly. Example. This morning I worked. Basic. Upgrade. This morning I worked and I had back-to-back meetings.
Back-to-back, meaning one after another.
Yes. Another common phrase, I was slammed. That means extremely busy.
I was slammed sounds intense.
It's informal, but common. Okay, now we'll practice different day types because not every day is busy.
Day type practice. A great day, rough day, normal day.
Day type number 1, a great day. Useful phrases. I had a great day. It went really well. Everything worked out. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling pretty good.
Ask me.
How was your day?
It was great. This morning I finished something I was procrastinating on. This afternoon I got good news. This evening I'm treating myself to a nice dinner. Overall, I feel happy and proud.
Perfect. Very natural.
Day type 2, a bad day.
Yes, day type number 2, a rough day. Phrases. It was a rough day. Not gonna lie, it was stressful. A lot went wrong. I'm drained. I'm frustrated. I'm worn out. Very tired.
I'm drained is such a good word.
It really is. Try it.
Honestly, it was a rough day. This morning, I woke up late and felt rushed. This afternoon, work was hectic and I had deadlines. This evening, I just want to rest. Overall, I feel drained.
Perfect. Clear, honest, not too dramatic.
Day type 3, normal day.
Yes. Normal day phrases. It was a normal day. Nothing special. Just the usual. Same old, very casual. Pretty routine.
Same old makes me laugh.
It's a classic. Now use it in a sentence.
It was same old, work, errands, dinner. Overall, I feel okay.
Great. Very natural.
Follow-up questions. Keep the conversation going. Okay, I can describe my day, but if someone tells me about their day, I don't know what to ask.
Great point. Here are easy follow-ups. Oh, really? What happened? How did that go? Was it busy? Did you enjoy it? What was the best part? What was the hardest part? How are you feeling now?
Those are super useful.
Let's do a longer role play like real friends catching up.
Let's do it.
Hey, Anna, long day?
Yeah, kind of. How about you?
Same. What made your day long?
This morning, I had back-to-back meetings and I barely had time to breathe. Then, this afternoon, I had to fix a problem, so it was stressful.
Whew. Did you at least get a break for lunch?
Not really. I grabbed something quick, just a sandwich.
I know that feeling. What did you do after work?
After work, I went home, took a shower, and tried to unwind. Then I did a little English practice.
Nice. How do you feel now?
Honestly, I feel tired, but I'm glad I did something for myself.
That contrast, tired but glad, sounds supernatural.
But makes everything sound real.
Exactly. Use contrasts. I'm tired, but I feel good. It was stressful, but I learned a lot. It was busy, but I got things done. Now, one common problem. People ask, What did you do today? And learners answer with one word, work.
That's me.
Let's upgrade work. 3 easy upgrades. I worked all day. I had a pretty busy day at work. Work was hectic, lots of emails and meetings.
That already sounds better.
And a great add-on. I worked most of the day and then I ran a few errands.
Nice.
Sound more natural. Softeners and intensifiers.
Jim, I want to sound more natural, like a native speaker. How do I do that without using advanced words?
Great question. Use softeners and intensifiers, small words that make your English feel real.
Examples?
Softeners. Pretty, pretty good, pretty busy. Kind of stressful. A bit tired. Not too bad. Intensifiers. Really, really busy. Super stressful. So tiring. Extremely hectic.
So I can say it was pretty busy or it was super stressful.
Exactly. Now add honesty starters. Honestly. To be honest. Not gonna lie.
Not gonna lie is very casual.
Yes, use it with friends, not in a formal meeting. The big grammar tip. I've been versus I did.
I keep hearing people say I've been, like I've been working. Why?
Great point. I've been is perfect when the day is still happening or you're describing an ongoing situation.
Example?
How's your day going? I've been in meetings all day. What have you been up to? I've been working on a project.
So I've been means from earlier until now.
Exactly.
Real life scenarios practice.
Scenario 1. Talking to a friend, casual. Let's do Scenario 1. Friend conversation after work.
Okay.
Hey, how was your day?
It was pretty busy. This morning, I had a lot of emails. This afternoon, I worked on a project and had a meeting. This evening, I'm just chilling at home. Overall, I feel tired, but okay.
Great. Now I follow up. What kind of project?
A work project. It was a little stressful because I had a deadline.
Perfect. Short detail, not a long story. Okay. How's your day going?
It's been a bit hectic. I've been in meetings all day, but it's finally slowing down. Overall, I feel relieved.
That's workplace perfect. Scenario 3. Family call at night.
Okay.
How was your day?
It was good. This morning, I took care of some things at home. This afternoon, I ran errands. This evening, I'm relaxing. Overall, I feel grateful.
Nice. Grateful is a great feeling word.
What if my day was boring, like nothing happened?
Then say that naturally. It was quiet. It was slow. Not much happened. It was pretty chill.
Chill is very casual.
Yes, friends only. Try it.
It was pretty chill. I did a little work, then I just relaxed. Overall, I feel rested.
Perfect. Now a great day. Maybe you achieved something.
Okay.
How was your day?
It was awesome. This morning, I finished a big task. This afternoon, I got great news. This evening, I'm celebrating with my friends. Overall, I feel excited.
Great energy and still structured. Now we'll do a simple drill. I'll give you a sentence, you repeat it, then you replace one word.
Okay, I like drills.
Sentence. My day was pretty busy.
My day was pretty busy.
Replace busy with stressful.
My day was pretty stressful.
Replace it with productive.
My day was pretty productive.
Good. Now, this morning I,
This morning,
add a verb, answered emails.
This morning, I answered emails.
Replace ran errands.
This morning, I ran errands.
Replace worked out.
This morning, I worked out.
Perfect. These are building blocks.
Jim, sometimes I only have 10 seconds, like in a hallway. What do I say?
Use this quick formula. Adjective plus one detail plus feeling.
Examples. Busy day, lots of meetings, I'm exhausted. Good day, I got a lot done, I feel great. Rough day, everything went wrong, I'm drained.
That's so practical. What if someone is truly interested and asks, "Oh, tell me more"?
Then you switch to story mode with connectors. First, then, after that, later, finally.
And the one detail rule still applies.
Exactly. Don't overload. Now let's build your +1, your feeling words. Here are common ones. Tired, exhausted, stronger, stressed, overwhelmed, relieved, calm, happy, proud, grateful, motivated, frustrated, annoyed, satisfied, burnt out, very tired from too much work.
Relieved is such a useful word.
Yes. Example, I feel relieved because the deadline is over.
Nice.
Okay, let's do a longer conversation. Realistic, friendly, and natural. I'll be your friend, texting and then calling.
Let's do it.
Hey Anna, how was your day?
It was pretty busy. This morning I started early and answered a ton of emails. This afternoon I had back-to-back meetings and worked on a project. This evening I'm just relaxing. Overall, I feel tired but satisfied.
Nice. What made it so busy?
Honestly, it was the meetings. They took up most of my day and I had to finish something before the deadline.
Did you finish it?
Yeah, I did. It wasn't perfect, but it's done.
That's a win. How are you going to relax tonight?
I'm going to eat dinner, take a shower, and watch something light. I just need to unwind.
That sounds perfect. Anything fun happened today?
Actually, yes, my friend sent me good news. That made my day better.
Aw, nice. So tomorrow, do you think it'll be calmer?
I hope so. I'm trying to plan better. Tomorrow morning, I want to start with my top 3 tasks.
That's smart. All right, get some rest.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
That conversation sounded completely natural.
Because we had structure and simple words.
Let's review the system. What is it?
3 + 1.
And the 3 parts are?
Morning, afternoon, evening.
And the +1 is?
One feeling overall, how I feel.
And what are your glue words?
First, then, after that, later, finally.
Perfect. Now 2 key questions. How was your day? It was. How's your day going? It's been. I've been.
Got it.
Gym homework time. This is how you get fluent.
The scary part.
Here's your challenge. Level 1, 30 seconds. Describe your day using 3 + 1. This morning, this afternoon, this evening. Overall, I feel.
Level 2, 60 seconds. Add blue words. First, then, after that, later, finally. Overall, I feel.
Level 3, real life challenge. Ask someone, how was your day? Then ask one follow-up question. What happened? How did it go? What was the best part?
And if you don't have someone to talk to yourself.
Yes, record yourself. Listening to your own voice helps a lot.
If this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
And comment below, what's one word to describe your day today? Busy, calm, stressful, productive, or something else?
This was Anna.
And Jim.
See you next time on English Time.
And remember, you don't need big vocabulary to sound fluent.
You need a simple structure and daily practice.
Bye.
Bye!